Excuse me. What the hell?
I thought I was on the track.
Wow.
I thought I was on the track. I was on.
I thought I heard sirens or something.
They were. They told me to be quiet.
I'm Yasmin Young. That right there was Church Boy.
Yeah.
And we have Ray Lavender in the studio. So We Love, new single, and you also have a B-side, Tequila.
I do.
So where'd the inspiration for that come from?
Oh man, fun, like having a good time, just a party. You know
Late nights, early mornings.
A late night, early night. You know what? The thing about me is once I hear music and I like it, I gravitate to it and want to do it. I went to Sweden and I heard a lot of different music. You know what I'm saying? And it just opened up your spectrum on on music, and that's where that record was inspired to some party music.
So the one person that you like, the dream collab that you have, who would that be?
The dream collab, Sam Cooke.
Okay, which
Yeah.
I mean, it could actually happen.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, obviously people have done songs with Tupac. Omarion just had a song with Biggie.
But that would be my dream collaboration.
Okay, and are you working on an album right now? Is this from an album, or are you just kind of putting out singles?
It actually, it's a mixtape.
Okay.
And it's dropping August 25th. I'm reading right now. People put it in front of me. R&B Hustler, and then that's the mixtape dropping August 25th.
So is it going to be all original stuff, or are you going to have some beat jacks, maybe some remixes on there?
Yeah, Khan call me Ray Jack Swing now, because I take people's records and just go MC Hammer on them.
That's dope, though. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with that. And then it will have some of the original, like, We Love and Tequila on there. Yeah. So what are you doing? Are you touring right now? Just on a promo tour?
I'm on a promo tour right now. Stopping, of course, to see you guys. We're number 7 right now on 106 in Park with We Love.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So it's doing really good.
Congrats.
Yeah, thank you. We can vote too. Right now too.
Keep it on the countdown, man.
Keep it on the countdown.
Yeah.
Yeah, ladies, I would encourage that. So you actually are on Instagram, you're on Twitter, all that?
I'm always on. See, the thing about being on the back of the tour bus is all you do is social network.
Right.
You
Got a
know
lot
what
of
I'm
time.
saying? So I'm on Ray Lavender on Instagram.
You took a picture in the studio. I
Absolutely.
Like that. I like that.
You
Let me go ahead
mean?
and click on that little heart right there.
I mean.
All right, Ray Lavender. Make sure you follow him on Instagram, on Twitter. Look forward to the mixtape. What's it called?
It's the R&B Hustler.
The R&B Hustler. 8/25 is when that comes out, right?
Absolutely. Got Rick Ross on there. Me, Rick Ross, and Tank. This record called I'm Your Hustler. It's amazing. It's going to be my next single. After
there you go.
Looking forward to it. All right, well, it's time for the Dirty Recap.
I heard that. I heard that.
I was about to say